Cabbage might not be the most exciting vegetable, but don't be fooled by its simple appearance. This leafy green, or sometimes purple, powerhouse is packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and gut-friendly compounds that can significantly improve your overall health. Despite being low in calories, cabbage offers a wealth of health benefits, from supporting digestion and heart health to reducing inflammation and even lowering the risk of chronic diseases. If you've been overlooking cabbage in your diet, it's time to reconsider. Let's dive into the science-backed health benefits of cabbage and why you should start adding it to your meals today. Cabbage is a highly nutritious vegetable that delivers an impressive amount of vitamins and minerals while being incredibly low in calories. Cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. It is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in strengthening the immune system and promoting healthy skin by supporting collagen production. Additionally, it contains vitamin K, which is vital for proper blood clotting and bone health. Another key nutrient found in cabbage is folate, an essential B vitamin that supports brain function and aids in cell growth and development. The high fiber content in cabbage helps improve digestion, regulate bowel movements, and promote gut health. Moreover, it is an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and supports proper muscle function. With its impressive nutrient profile, incorporating cabbage into your diet can provide significant health benefits. Cabbage is a gut-friendly vegetable that can promote digestion and improve overall gut health. Moreover, it is rich in insoluble fiber, which keeps the digestive system functioning smoothly by preventing constipation and supporting regular bowel movements. Fermented cabbage, such as sauerkraut and kimchi, takes these benefits a step further. These foods contain probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote gut health. Probiotic-rich foods have been shown to aid digestion, reduce bloating, and strengthen the immune system. If you suffer from digestive issues, adding both raw and fermented cabbage to your diet can provide significant relief. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to various diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and autoimmune conditions. Cabbage contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help combat this issue. Cabbage is loaded with antioxidants like sulforaphane and K-ampherol, which have been scientifically proven to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who regularly consumed cruciferous vegetables, such as cabbage, had lower levels of inflammation markers in their blood. By including cabbage in your diet, you can naturally help your body fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic disease. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and strokes, but cabbage contains a heart-healthy nutrient that may help potassium. Potassium acts as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure levels. Additionally, red cabbage contains anthocyanins, which are antioxidants linked to improved heart health and reduced blood pressure. Research suggests that individuals who consume potassium-rich foods regularly tend to have better cardiovascular health and a lower risk of hypertension. Your heart works tirelessly every second of the day, and cabbage can help keep it in optimal condition. Cabbage contains flavonoids and polyphenols, which help reduce bad cholesterol and promote good cholesterol. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate more cruciferous vegetables had a significantly lower risk of heart disease. Red cabbage in particular is rich in anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries. Cabbage isn't just good for your internal health, it also benefits your skin. According to Healthline, cabbage is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and polyphenols, which help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that cause skin aging and damage. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in collagen production, helping to maintain skin elasticity, hydration, and youthful appearance. Regular consumption of cabbage may help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and signs of sun damage. For a simple skin-boosting trick, try drinking cabbage juice or eating fresh cabbage salads to nourish your skin from the inside out. Cabbage is one of the most underrated superfoods, offering a wide range of health benefits, from improving digestion and heart health to reducing inflammation and promoting weight loss. What's your favorite way to eat cabbage? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing health insights.